السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الإعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة.
What's your name?
My name is James.
How old are you?
I am 27 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
Do you speak French?
Yes, I speak French.
What do you do for living?
I am a doctor.
Do you listen to music in your free time?
Yes, I listen to music.
What do you do for fun?
I go for fishing.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is tiger.
Do you have any siblings?
I have 2 sisters.
What's the weather like today?
It's very cold today.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by the subway.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is swimming.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite music?
I love pop music.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.